Introducing the account management service from Advanced AutoTrades. Our comprehensive account management and setup service for accounts over $100,000. This is the ultimate choice for investors new to this type of investment or anyone who prefers to avoid the hassle of setting up and managing investments. Here are 6 steps to simplify your journey. First, we create a solid legal and tax structure for investment success. We collaborate with experts to ensure compliance, optimize tax liabilities, and safeguard your assets. Then, choosing the right brokerage account is crucial. We guide you to reputable brokers with low fees, optimal fills, and proven security to protect your capital. We set up automated trading to enable professional trading without direct access to your brokerage account. This approach allows you to have full control over your capital all the time. Then we select investment strategies tailored to your return targets and risk tolerance. The ongoing allocation and risk management balances potential returns and risk, keeping your portfolio aligned with your annual return targets. We constantly monitor your account to ensure all trades are optimally executed. Regular reviews help assess new risks early and seize new opportunities. With our comprehensive account management service, you let us handle the complexities while you enjoy the rewards. If you are ready to unlock the future of investing, check out our account management service only from Advanced AutoTrades.